Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get cooking. Today I'm going to make chicken teriyaki meatballs. You see a lot of meatball recipes, and I've made them a ton of times, but only twice with chicken, so I promise to try and do things more healthy. These are lower in cholesterol and lower in fat. So I've got 1 pound of ground chicken. And disclaimer, I was going to use my breadcrumbs, but all of them are seasoned. So since I'm going to do the teriyaki, I decided to use corn flakes. These are Kellogg's cornflake crumbs. You can buy them in the box. There's a million different teriyaki sauces you can get. I went with Lawry's because, you know, I like their brand, but this one has pineapple in it. And also it has no high fructose, whatever. It's on the thing there. I'll zoom in. And they have 𝐷𝐿 if you like that, Panda Express. They've got every brand if you just want to go, or you can make your favorite. Then I've got 1 egg, use that as a binder, and I'm only going to use like a half a cup of the corn flakes and a cup of the marinade. So I'm going to go ahead, and I have my gloves, so I'm going to mash that up with my hands. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and get this all set up, and then we can get started cooking. Okay everyone, I'm back. I've got my meat here in the bowl, and I've got 1 egg. I already beat it up, so I'm going to put that in there and start mixing that together. And then I have 1 full cup of the teriyaki sauce. I know it seems like a lot, but chicken is bland, and it has, what I like about it, it takes on any flavor you give it. And then I have not quite a half a cup of the corn flakes. These will be really, really, really moist. I'm going to go ahead and add some more corn flakes to this. It's a little bit too loose. Let me put you on pause and get some more corn flakes out. I'll be right back. Okay, that's about another half a cup. And this time I used seasoned breadcrumbs. I switched off the corn flakes and I'm changing my glove. The dirty one is here. And then put this back on. Yeah, tighten this up a little bit. Because see, chicken has very little fat in it. And so that's why you want to definitely add the egg for protein. And I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to add some parsley to this too. Just because it looks, you know, like it's got something more in it. I hope it doesn't turn my husband off. I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees. My oven is already at temperature. So now I'm gonna take my glove off, clean this up, and get ready to make some meatballs. I got a little gadget gizmo here. We'll see if it works. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now supposedly how this is supposed to work, you're supposed to scoop off the meatball like that and then scrape off the excess. But see, I noticed when I bought this, mine's off a little bit. It's not centering, but we shall see. I may end up having to do these by hand, which I hope not. That's got a big stem in there. Let's see. Nope, that's not going to work. Let me put you on pause, put another glove on, and I'm going to roll these. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I'm going to hand roll these. They are a little bit more moist than I intended them to be, but that's okay. I'd rather that than them be too dry. And that little contraption, I knew when I got it, because it's off even when you're not messing with it, it doesn't completely close, it's not centered. So you see I'm just kind of rolling meatballs here. And these are supposed to cook at 400 degrees, and I am going to use a meat thermometer to check these to make sure that they are done. Yeah, I want to do something different than, you know, Italian meatballs, Italian flavors, so that's why I went with the pineapple teriyaki. I figured to give it a lot of good flavor and not have to add too many ingredients to this to have something taste good. And you can serve this probably over rice And you can make take that marinade and make a glaze out of it and cook it down and make, I guess, a gravy or sauce or whatever to go with this if you wanted to serve it over rice. I'm just doing these just as a little snack. Like I said, just a different kind of meatball, just for people who don't eat beef or pork, to give them a different alternative for meatball. Okay, so I'm gonna get these all rolled up, and let me see, I'll take my glove off. Might as well go from here. And just roll them like this. And this is a different alternative for somebody who doesn't like beef or pork. And you kind of get the gist of this, how you roll these meatballs. They're all different sizes. It's not that big to me. I'm going to check them with the meat thermometer. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, and then come back and we'll put these in the oven. And since they're so big, they're supposed to go 20 minutes, but I'm going to still, like I said, I'm going to check them, so it really doesn't matter. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. I got the temperature at 400 degrees. I put the rack on the highest level possible, and I set the timer for 20 minutes. And this time I'm not going to go upstairs and I'll miss the timer watching television. I'm going to put you guys on pause, come back, and I'm checking. Okay, I'm going to check them with my meat thermometer as I promised. They've been cooking, it's been about 37 minutes. It's only 37 minutes left. So I'm going to go ahead, I decided to baste these. I'm going to put you on pause, get some more teriyaki sauce together and baste these, and then get ready to tell you my joke. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the same teriyaki glaze and glaze these and put them back in the oven for, that's the timer, and let these cook, and then I'll come back and tell you guys my joke. Okay, they're all glazed, and put them back in the oven for about another, no more than 3 to 4 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to take them out of the oven, show you what they look like. And let's check them with the meat thermometer and see, because it's chicken, it's supposed to be, I'll get the biggest one. 165 is reading 100 and, oops, goes down really fast. But they are reading 172, 174. 173, so we're all set. So I'm going to turn the camera around, get everything set up, and then tell you guys my joke. Okay, so there you have it. Teriyaki glazed chicken meatballs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let me tell you my joke. A woman was screaming and hollering, "I am so wet. Honey, give it to me. Give it to me right now. I'm wet all over. I'm dying. I'm drowning. Please, I'm so wet. Give it to me." He said, "No matter how much you scream and holler, I'm keeping this umbrella." See, all my jokes aren't risque. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe, and share, and come back for the next one. These are really, really moist. I ate 2. What you're looking at is a baker's dozen. 12 plus 1 is 13. There were 15. But yeah, they're really moist. And I didn't think about it. You can get some little Hawaiian rolls and put these on a bun and have a little slider. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. And as I said, have a good evening.